Stay tuned. Joining us now, David Ricks, Eli Lilly CEO. David, can you let's go back. Let's start with what Meg just said and bring us the news this morning that the drug that we're talking about used in combination with remdesivir, which seems to even add to the positive effects for recovery for COVID-19 patients.
That's right. This is important news. It's the third, I think, successful medicine in a well-controlled study, this time on top of remdesivir, Olumiant, or baricitinib, which works in a very different way than remdesivir. It tamps down your own immune response, is shown to allow patients to leave the hospital at least a day early and then hit on many other secondary endpoints. This is a phase 3 study we conducted in collaboration with Gilead, as well as the NIH. And we started this back in May, immediately after the first remdesivir positive announcement. So great news for patients. There's 30,000 people in the hospital today in the U.S., and perhaps many of them could benefit from this if approved by the FDA under emergency use.
Dave, I'm wondering, so this tamps down the immune system a little bit. I think, doesn't dexamethasone and some steroids do something similar? Could there be a 3-drug regimen, or does one preclude the use of another that might even lower the recovery time even more?
Well, we don't know that yet. Of course, using an antiviral earlier in the disease, which can reduce the viral load, makes sense, logically does, and then adding a drug like Olumiant, which can reduce the body's overinflammation, which can cause some of the most severe lung and breathing problems from COVID-19, is a rational selection. Dexamethasone from the UK study you mentioned was done on any background. Gilead's remdesivir was done on any background. This is the first study looking at a combination rationally, so we don't know the answer to your question. There's probably some overlap in the effects of the steroid and Olumiant, so that may not be as wise to study. But we are doing our own placebo-controlled global study, phase 3, with Olumiant against any background of therapy, and that may help answer your question when that data is available, perhaps later this year or early next year.